everybody. Last session, we complete our first practical demo of Synfig, how to move a circle from one place to another place, moving circle to the right. Today we are going to see a new content, new topic of this chapter, animation using keyframe. How to use a keyframe? First circle on left, second circle on right, and third circle is back. Now all these tips are given here. We will see it directly with the help of practical. How we can change the property, how we can do all these things. We are going to see how to use keyframe, duplicate keyframe 0F, 1S and 2S. All these content we are going to see. Moving circle, how to change the property, using loop, using multiple keyframe, duplicate keyframe, all these things we are going to see here. Keyframe added 6F, keyframe added 12F, all these keyframe added 18F. This practical we are going to see. Add a duplicate keyframe at 1 second. See this one. We will continue this content with the help of Synfig Studio. From here we will start. As usual, our Synfig is start. Now we are using these are the Synfig Studio properties tool. Before going to start, we must be start this animation mode. Without animation mode, we are unable to see the output of our result. After starting animation mode, we will draw a single circle. The color will be here. Whatever color you want to give, select that color. Close this window. Now draw a circle. After drawing a circle, our next step is go to edit and go to property. In property window, we will change the timing. Here is a 5 second. We will do it 2 seconds. We will working with 2 seconds per frame. Close. See. Now another way is also available to set the time property. Go to right, edit, property. End time will be 2 seconds. Apply, close. Are you see the changes here? See, here 0, 1, 0 frame, first second and second second. See, this is available. 1S, 1S, 8F. Now we will start our work as usual. At first, now we will close it. We will select this circle and just take the position of this circle. The first position of this circle is 0F. Now we will go to here. Today we are required two tools. First one is keyframe. Now time, we will add a new keyframe. We will click here. We will move the circle. Add keyframe. Then we will again go here. We will add new keyframe. We will move the circle. We will again click here. Again add the keyframe. Now it will be on 12 frame. Now it will be here. We will increase the size of. Again add. Now we again go at first. Now we will click here and there is the option to change the edit property. Okay. Again click here 1 second. Click here and set a duplicate structure. Now we'll click here 1 second. Now we'll duplicate the 8 frame. Duplicate keyframe. Now we will move it here. Now we'll use the duplicate of 12 frame. Are you able to see? Now we will click here. We will do the duplicate of 17 F. See, whatever frames we will add, we are creating the duplicate keyframe of it. Now we are using another layer, file, panel, layers. Now just select this one layer. Right click, new layer, other, time zone. Now we will go to right click, edit, properties. Here we will change the time from 2 seconds to 20 seconds. Our image will be run up to 20 seconds. See the output of this. It will be run up to 20 seconds. See. Look here, 4 seconds, 14 seconds, 18 seconds. It's a 20 seconds. I hope you will be understand how we can create an image and duplicate keyframe. We can do the exercise only once. We'll set these all properties up to 2 seconds only. Then we are adding a duplicate keyframe. In this session, we are learn only about the keyframe and layer, time layer. See, this will be run until whatever time we will be give, it will be run repeatedly. So here we are cover our third chapter. See, keyframe added 12F. suppose this sequence or this will be different than us. See, whatever our keyframe, all these keyframes we also added. See, file, panel and keyframe. We also have these keyframes. See, 4F, 8F, 12F, 17F, 0F, 6F, 12F, 18F. At first we create these 4 layers, these 4 keyframe. Then we are creating the duplicate of it. See, first they are also create a duplicate of 1 second, then 2 second. We are creating the duplicate of 4F, 1 second, 1x, 5 frame, 1 second, 9 frame, 1 second, 30 frame. We are creating the duplicate of these frames, duplicate keyframe added. Then we are going to time loop. We are going panel showing duplicate keyframe added. We already see the duplicate keyframe panel, this one. This is a duplicate keyframe panel. With the help of this, see here duplicate keyframe, here single frame, how to add a single frame. So in this chapter we learn how to create an animation. Animate edit mode helps in recording the changes mode to the object position at different time using the time bar. When not in animate edit mode, any changes made to object or its parameter will not have an effect on the animation. That means you must be select this animation mode. After completing your work, you will be click here again. When it in green color, the animation will not start. When it will be in red color, the animation is in animation mode. So here I am completing this chapter. As usual, you will be complete the exercise of this chapter, all the filling the blanks and all the descriptive questions which is available here. So if you have computer, you can work the laboratory exercise. Thank you very much. We will start in next chapter. We will start our in next session. We will start our new chapter.